Dumabag Inesita Vlog. We're here, look at this. I'm a member of the Lions, and then right here we will have a meeting. The cabinet will have a meeting. I was just invited. Come here, Irene. And the one who's taking it is the First Lady of the Lions. Nandito
Ikaw
kami.
talaga?
Tingnan mo
Ayan,
yung mga
naglili-
tao. Ang dami-daming mga tao.
Ito si Noni. Hello. Vlogger is here.
Ito, Irene, ito. Mga members. May mga members dito.
Hello. Oh, asan na yung iba? Asan si Manay? Gala-gala. Wala.
Ikaw na naman. Yan ang
Hello, hello.
Yan.
Hello.
So, we are members of this Lions thing. Lions International District 4 LA General Membership Meeting. This is a General Membership Meeting. We're here in Los Angeles. Okay.
Picturean mo ako ng solo.
Oh, okay, okay. This is Domagog Inesita's vlog for today.